Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hub. On this channel, we talk about powerful AI tools, online income ideas, and digital skills that can help you build an online income. If you want to learn how to use artificial intelligence to work smarter and make money online, then you are in the right place. But here is something interesting. Many beginners think making money online is difficult or requires advanced skills. However, artificial intelligence is changing everything. Today, many people are using AI tools to create content, automate tasks, and build online businesses from their laptops. And in this video, I will show you 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money online. So make sure you watch until the end because the last tool is one of the easiest tools beginners can start using today. Let's get started. The first tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools used for writing, brainstorming ideas, and creating content. With this tool, you can generate blog articles, social media posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and much more. Many freelancers are already using ChatGPT to offer writing services to clients. This means you can use AI to start a freelance writing business, even if you are a beginner. The second tool is Canva. Canva is an online design platform that allows anyone to create professional graphics easily. With Canva, you can design YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and marketing graphics. Many content creators and businesses need graphic design regularly. That means you can offer design services or even sell digital templates online. The third tool is Pictory. Pictory is an AI tool that can turn text into videos automatically. You can paste a script and the tool will generate scenes, visuals, and subtitles. This is very useful for creating faceless YouTube videos. Many creators are using this method to build YouTube channels without showing their face. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator that can create realistic voiceovers. You simply paste your script and the AI will convert it into natural-sounding audio. You can use this for YouTube videos, explainer videos, and online content. Some freelancers even sell voiceover services using AI tools like this. The fifth tool is CapCut. CapCut is a powerful and beginner-friendly video editing software. With CapCut, you can easily edit videos, add subtitles, transitions, and effects. Many creators use CapCut to produce professional-looking videos for YouTube and social media. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities for people around the world. Those who learn these tools early will have a huge advantage in the future. If you want to learn more about AI tools, online income ideas, and digital skills, make sure to subscribe to Digital Profit Hub. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.